Hello, my name is Ivan, and this is my final project for Comp 426. The name of my final project is called Geo Spotlight, and the idea I had was just to have like some sort of web application where people can find events that they may be interested in by just searching the name of their location, or in this case, the city that they are located in. And as you can see here in my front end, I use the Mapbox API to display like an interactive globe that users can interact with, along with the actual application itself. So here's a demonstration. Perhaps I'm interested in events near me, which would be in Chapel Hill. I can also add some filters to my search as well. Perhaps I'm only interested in events next week. And I can also change the number of results here. Click search. And it shows you all the events in Chapel Hill. This is done using both a combination of the Mapbox geocoding API, which is like transforms my search here into latitude and longitude, which is then given to SERP API, which is it's an API that uses Google web scraping, and specifically I'm using the Google Events engine. So it finds all of the events using the latitude and longitude that was given. And here I can, here on this sidebar here, I can click on any of these events and it will just jump to it on the map. And of course, perhaps you might be interested in some of these events, and you might want to save them so you can come back to them at a later point. To do that, all you have to do is click on any of these events and click on the heart icon you see here at the bottom bottom right. And then the heart icon the marker on the map will change and it will show up in your save events page. And you can also just save like a bunch of events. And of course, if you want to get rid of any of those events on your save page, you can either just click the unheart button or click the X button here. And of course, there is state management. So if I were to refresh the page, all of the save events that I previously saved will still exist, and I can just still jump to any of them by pressing the button right here. And of course, there's like 3 events stacked on top of each other here, which is why, yeah, they all just jump to the same place. There is also some other backend API endpoints that I have not mentioned, and they are specifically for handling the database. It's just getting all of the saved events, adding new save events, and of course deleting save events. And this is done by interacting with a Supabase database. But aside from that, that is my final project, and I hope you enjoy it.